Good morning everyone. This is teacher Sidra from the Wave Private School. Today our topic is reflecting shapes. This is grade 7 and the chapter number 17, position and movement. And today we will solve the exercise 17.1. Date today is 25 April 2020. And you will find this topic in the course book page 163. Now let's start. First of all, we will see the introduction of this chapter. A transformation happens when you move a shape by reflecting, translating or rotating it. Now we will see the reflecting shapes. The shape you start with is called object. The shape after a transformation is called an image. Look in the river or sea. On a calm day, you will see a reflection. As you can see here, these mountains and these trees are the objects. But when it reflects, as you can see here in the water, after reflection, this object will called an image. These shadows are called the image. So now let's start to understand that reflecting shapes. When you draw the reflection of a shape, you use a mirror line. First of all, as you can see here, this is object and this is the image. Image should be always the same like object. And you will use a mirror line. Mirror line means a dotted line. Always there is a mirror line between object and image. Each point of shape will be at the same distance away from the mirror line. If object is at 2 blocks away, then image will be at 2 blocks away. Image and object both will always at the same distance away. So two things you have to memorize, that mirror line is necessary and second is that same distance from the mirror line. Now let's start our exercise, that is 17.1. Question number 1. Which triangles show a correct reflection of triangle A? So one by one, we will see these 4 shapes. In A part, this is the object and this is the reflection, or we can say an image. There is a mirror line present between them. So can anyone tell that this image is same like that object? No. Image is 1 block away, but the shape is not exact like the object. So we can say A is wrong. This is not the correct reflection. Just see B part. This is object and this is the image. Object is 1 block away and image is 1 block away. And both image and object touches this symmetry line or mirror line. So this B part is, we can say, a correct reflection. Now C part, is it correct reflection? This is the object and on the opposite side this is the image of the shape. So here it is 1 block away and image is also 1 block away and image is same like that object. So we can say that C is also the correct reflection of triangle. And what about D? Object touches the mirror line, but in case of image, here it will not touch the mirror line, but on the other hand it touches on the opposite side. So we can say that D is wrong. B and C are correct reflection of triangle. Now let's move to question number 2. Copy each diagram and reflect the shape in the mirror line. So first of all, there is an object present and a mirror line is given. So you have to draw the shape that is same like that object. As you can see here, if we can say that this is 2 blocks, object covers 2 blocks, and if we are going down, then it moves 1 block away. So its image will be same like that. Here it covers 2 blocks, and when we go downside, then it will be 1 block away from the mirror line. So this will be the image of the object. Here, this is the B part, this is the object, and we have to draw the image on the opposite side of this mirror line. So image is object is 1 block away, so image should be 1 block away, and here it covers 2 blocks, so same like that it covers 2 blocks. So this is the image of this shape. In this part, you know that at this point the object is 1 block away, and here this touches the symmetry line. Here it touches the symmetry line. So image will be same like that. You draw an arrow started from here and 1 block away. Here it started from here and will go down where it touches this symmetry line. So in this way you can draw your shape, and image will be same like that, 1 block away, and here it covers 2 blocks. So same like that, just it will be easy for you if you draw an arrow starting from the shape. If you draw an arrow starting from here in this way, and here this is the part, so just draw the arrow starting from here and ends from here. So in this way it will be easy for you to draw a shape. In the D part, same like that, if you draw an arrow started from here and 1, 2, 3 blocks away, on the opposite side 1, 2, 3 blocks away, just take an arrow started from here and ends from up till here. In this way, started from here 1 block away and 1 block away up till now. So by making an arrows, you will draw the shape same like that, 1 block away object and image is 1 block away, and in this way this is the image of this shape. Now question number 3, copy each diagram and reflect the shape in the diagonal mirror line. These are the diagonal mirror lines and you have to reflect the shape. As you can see here, it can be easy for you if you draw the shape. So image will be 1 block away. So just draw from here in this way, from starting from here, and this point take arrow from here and took this point from here to here and meet these original points. You will get the reflection of this shape same like the object. In the B part, as you can see here, it covers the 2 blocks, but when it goes downside, it covers the 3 blocks. So just draw the arrow starting from here. It goes 1 block away and it will be here. Starting from here, your arrow, and draw the arrow. So you can start your shape from here. But see that here it touches the symmetry line. So its image will be same like that. Half block away and here half block away, from here 1 block away. So just draw the arrow same like that. In this way you will easily make the reflection of this shape. Here 2 parts, 2 blocks cover, C part, and downside 3 blocks cover. So when you draw the arrow from here, it will cover the 2 blocks here and 3 blocks. When you started from here and draw in this way, it will cover the 3 blocks in this side and 2 blocks from here. So just draw the arrow. In this way you can easily understand. So this was the image of this shape. Here object is 1 block away and image is 1 block away. Same like that. And you will draw your arrow starting from here 1 block away. So starting from here 1 block away, draw an arrow from here to until here, and started your arrow from here to here in this way. So in this way you can easily make your shapes. Question number 4. Copy its diagram and reflect the shape in the mirror line with the given equation. Mirror line x is equal to 3. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. We know we have to draw the mirror line at x is equal to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So at 3 you will draw a mirror line like a dotted line. This is called mirror line, and you have to draw the object same like image same like the object. So just start your arrow from here and end it from here 2 blocks away. So when you join these arrows you can get the reflection of this shape. Mirror line y is equal to 4. As you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just draw the mirror lines at y is equal to 4 and draw the image same like that. So it was the image of this object 1 block away, and here image is 1 block away, and here it touches the symmetry line. Mirror line x is equal to 4. X is at the downside, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will draw the mirror line at x is equal to 4 and draw the image. So object is 1 block away and covers 2 blocks here. So same like that, images covers 2 block and 1 block away. Distance is same. Distance should be same always. So this is the image of this C part, this shape. So the question remaining 5 and 6 you will do at home. And now we will trying to solve exercise 17.2, that is you will see in the B part of this video.